Hi everybody, welcome to Mamta Creations. This is Mamta Gupta, the owner and founder of Mamta Creations. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार, बड़ों को नमस्कार और छोटों को बहुत सारा प्यार। आज हमारे इस सेशन में आप सभी आए, हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है। इस सेशन को स्टार्ट करने के पहले हम प्रार्थना करेंगे। So we'll start with the prayer. So thank you all of you for joining us. So let's start the prayer. ये प्रेयर सॉन्ग फातिमा जायसवाल जी ने है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रेयर सॉन्ग हमारे लिए गाने के लिए। Hi Swati ji, hi Komal, hi Asima, hi everybody. Hi, Zaid, Zareen. Hi, all of you for joining us. Fatima ji, Pratima Jaiswal, she completed her Prabhakar degree course in Indian classical music from Prayag Samiti, Allahabad. She is currently a social worker as well as a music teacher. She has enhanced her art skill being an alumni of Bharatiya Kala Kendra, New Delhi. She worked with several organizations like RAS Ladies to promote Indian art and culture in every part of India. She also worked in several institutes like Dhwani in New Delhi, which aims to provide good academic and disabled and impaired children. She taught them music as a therapy. So thank you, Pratibha Jaiswal ji, for the prayer song. Thank you. So all of us now blessed. So let us go to our chief guest. Let's greet our chief guest. And let's have few words of motivating words from our chief guest. Our first chief guest is Mrs. Jayashree Narayan. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our invitation. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for such beautiful and motivating words. I'm sure all my participants and myself are really very, very blessed to have you today on this podium and bless all of us and get all best wishes from you. Jashi Narayan ma'am is basically an art and craft teacher, and she runs an art and craft institute in Chennai by the name of Hastasri Art and Craft, and she is a Fevicol certified specialist, and she is associated with Fevicol Hobby Ideas for more than 30 years. I myself is also Fevicol's certified professional, and I'm also associated with Hobby Ideas for last 15 years in Chennai. So thank you, ma'am, for the beautiful and the wonderful and the motivating words. I'm sure all of us are feeling so, so blessed. Most of our training are woman entrepreneurship. Like the training are designed in such a way that after you get trained from us, you start doing those products at your home, or you start taking classes so that you can generate an income for yourself and financially you become independent. So basically, most of our courses are woman entrepreneurship courses. Thank you, ma'am, for the beautiful motivating words. And I'm sure all of you are waiting to have a lot of fun. So let's start the fun and let's have the game session. So let's have some games here. And I'm going to tell a lot of riddles I'm going to put. And you all just let the answer. This is fastest finger round. Whoever gives the answer correctly and fast will be the winner. So I'll just go on telling you the riddles and then I'll go to the next chief guest. You all keep writing the answers. The result for this game will be announced tomorrow early morning on our page. So all of you have great fun. So let's all enjoy this session and get ready for the fastest finger round. Riddle number one. What can be seen once in a meeting, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? I repeat it once again. What can be seen once in a meeting, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? So please write the answer, and whoever first gets the right answer will be the winner. So shall we go to the next question? Keep guessing the answer, and we'll go to the next question. Next riddle. The next riddle is the next riddle is I am not alive, but I have 5 fingers. Who I am? Riddle number two is I'm not alive, but I have 5 fingers. Who I am? So I'll repeat the riddles once again in Hindi also because we have couple of viewers here who basically understand Hindi. So oh yeah. So who's I think the winner for this is Jayanti Krishnamurthy. So the riddle number one, the winner is Jayanti Krishnamurthy. Wow, very good. So you have surprise gift from us. Just get connected to our WhatsApp number 9840724819. Okay, next riddle. I am not alive, but I have 5 fingers. Who I am? Oh wow. But I think the first answer came from uh, Zari, Asmia, your answer, you have written globe. It should not be globe, it should be glove. So the Zareen Sheikh has given the correct answer. So Zareen Sheikh is the winner of this riddle. So Zareen just connected to our WhatsApp number 9840724819 to collect your gift. Yes, it is gloves, Zareen, you are correct. Okay, we'll go to the next. Let's see what is the next. Whether we have the any riddle or yeah. Okay, now let us welcome our another chief guest, Dr. Neelam Himtani. So Dr. Neelam is basically a cosmetologist and a dental doctor, and also she runs an homemade product. She makes a lot of homemade products, and her brand name is Smile and Smile. So let's greet her and let's listen what she says to all of us. Hi, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Neelam. Dr. Neelam is basically from Bhopal, and she is a dentist and a cosmetologist and the founder of Smile and Smile Natural, a brand which has emerged from Dr. Neelam's desire to maintain a healthy skin without any unwanted and harsh chemicals. So the handmade industry, home care and skin care and hair care products, which you are entering, all of you, all my participants, I wish all the best, and I should always tell you, and always tell, use, know your ingredients, do little research, and whatever knowledge we have shared, on top of that, you also do some research, and please use harsh chemicals or any chemicals or any preservative when it is required. If your product doesn't require, just to increase the shelf life of your product, please don't use any harsh chemicals and any preservatives if it is not required, which I have been always telling you. And today, Dr. Neelam, she herself is a cosmetologist and a dental surgeon. This is what she means to say. So all of you have been making your own customized products for yourself and for your clients and customers. I wish you all of you all the best. So next, we'll have the next game session. I am sure all of you are waiting for it. So let's have some fun again. Okay, riddle number 3. Which word is written incorrectly in a dictionary? कौन सा word dictionary में correctly ठीक से या गलत लिखा हुआ है? Which word is written in dictionary incorrectly? Okay, so okay, which word is written in the dictionary incorrectly? So answer. Okay. I can't see the answer anyhow. I'll get back to. I'll go to the next thing. I'll get back the answer and then let you know. I'll just check whether anybody has replied the correct answer. Okay. Let's go to the next riddle. The riddle number 4 is: people buy me to eat but never eat me. Who I am? लोग मुझे खरीदते हैं खाने के लिए पर मुझे कभी नहीं खाते हैं. मैं कौन हूँ? People buy me to eat but never eat me who I am. लोग मुझे खरीदते हैं खाने के लिए प्लस पर कभी नहीं खाते हैं. कौन है मैं कौन हूँ? आंसर आ जाए. Riddle number 4. Okay, riddle number 3. Let's check whether we got any correct answer or not. Oh wow, we got a couple of people have answered. 1 minute. Sanchita Mittal incorrectly. Okay, I think Sanchita Mittal is the winner. So the word incorrectly is the word which is incorrectly written in the dictionary. Congratulations, Sanchita. Get contacted to us on 98407 24819. Please WhatsApp us to claim your gift. And now we have, yeah, okay. Anita, 1 minute. Anita Malika. I think you are the winner of the 4th riddle. That is plate. You are correct. We usually buy a plate to eat food, but we don't. We don't eat the plate. So thank you, and that's all. So we'll go to the next. Let's see what is next here for us. About us. Okay. So most of you, all my participants know, but still this is for the other viewers, those who have joined us. Hi, this is Mamta Gupta, the owner and founder of Mamta Creations. Mamta Creation is basically an art craft hobby center in Kandanchadi, OMR, where we conduct lot of different types of art craft hobby, culinary, cooking, crafting, and cosmetic making sessions for even tailoring, fashion designing session for adults. And we also have fine arts, drawing and painting session for kids. But due to COVID-19, this pandemic, we have taken all our sessions online. So this is the first online certification day we are having for our students. And we are very much excited. And as much we are excited, so much our students all are excited. And they are all waiting for me to announce their name. And for all the students, those who are watching me here, those who have participated in our online sessions, there are 3 rewards for them. So just be tuned, don't go away. Who knows, you will be the winner of that reward. Okay. So, and we have a Facebook page. You are here now on our Facebook page, Mamta Creations. We have a YouTube channel, Mamta Creations Chennai, and we also have a Instagram page, Mamta Creations, Mamta Gupta. So do log on to, and we have a website www.mamtacreations.com. So do log on all these certain handles to know more about us. And for more info, you can anytime WhatsApp us on 98407 24819. Thank you, viewers, for watching us. Let's go to the next section. New online course. Yeah, today we have a launch of couple of online courses which we are going to announce. And these online courses which will be available to all our participants default at 25% discount. So that's really a great news for all my participants here, all my online students here, those who have taken in last 3 months online course with us. So whatever courses we are launching, we are going to launch a lot of courses in. We are going to launch a lot of courses, in uh, fine arts, different types of murals. We are going to launch different types of fine arts courses. Then we are going to launch new courses in culinary like chocolate making, cake baking, and ice creams and fruit juices and all. Then we are going to launch a lot of courses in fine arts and folk arts like Madhumani painting, oil painting, acrylic paintings. Then in handicrafts, we are going to do a lot of murals works, and we are going to do, and in the cosmetic session, we are going to come with our total home care and body care. The home care and body care has a lot of courses, so everything will be announced. So just be tuned on this page. And just 1 minute, I need a one to take one call. हेलो क्या हुआ बोलिए हेलो okay so whatever it is will that will be announcing here on the page as it is. So let's go to the certification day. Oh, let's have fun, few more riddles for all of you. Let's have some more fun and then we'll announce the certification. So what is here? Yeah, riddle number 5. Feed me, it will give me life, but give me water, I will die who I am. Feed me, it will give me life, and but give me water, and I will die who I am. So who is this answering? Anybody dares to answer? Let's check. Uh, no problem, ma'am. If anybody is having regarding the announcement of the prizes, there is no problem. What we will do, after this session, we'll just scroll once again if we have made any wrong announcement, and if you have answered first, because it will show in the screen who is given the first answer. So no issues in that. If a mistake is done, it will be rectified, because couple of people are telling, so let's see. I think I got the right answer here. Uh, uh, the right answer is fire, and it has been Sanchita Mittal has announced the right answer. I think so. Let me scroll, because couple of people I can see on my screen. So it is Sanchita. Sanchita is the first person who has answered this riddle number 5. Feed me and it will give me life, but give me water, I will die who I am. So thank you, Sanchita. Do WhatsApp over 98407 24819 to claim your uh, gift. Okay. Now, yeah, this announcement is for all my online students. There are 3 rewards for my online students, and 1 minute, ma'am. Just give me 5 minutes. हेलो या कौन सा वीडियो में हाँ आ रहा है चालू है आप देखिए ना पेज पे नहीं 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 आ रहा है पेज पे चेक करिए आप पेज पे लॉगिन करके देखिए देखिए Live are you? No. Check kariye aap. Okay. So let's. Uh, okay. The riddle number 5 answer we have got. And we'll go to next. The answer is fire here. So anyhow, you people also can decide who has answered the correct answer because you can see the comments there. Okay. And now we have the riddle number 6 here. Just go. Riddle number. What has teeth but cannot eat? So what has teeth but cannot eat? So let me know the answer and then we'll go to the next section and we'll announce the surprise rewards for all my online students. Okay, who has, anybody has given the correct answer? What has teeth but cannot eat? Okay. Okay, yeah. The Nina Fernandez has got the correct answer and the first answer. Comb. So thank you, Meena. Just WhatsApp us on 9840724819 to claim your gift. And we'll go to the next riddle. Okay, this is very nice and very tricky. Let me see who is able to get the right answer. There are 12 fish in a bowl. Half of them drowned. How many are left? There are 12 fish in a bowl. Half of them drowned. How many are left? There are 12 fish in a bowl. एक बाउल में 12 फिश है और उसमें से आधे तो डूब गए हैं, कितने बचे हैं? So please please इसका correct answer. Who has answered this one? Okay. Okay, what we will do? 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, कहाँ बोला? कौन बोला बीच में? Yeah, Sandhya Vijay Kumar is the winner of this because fish cannot drown in water. So the answer is 0. So all of you, those who have answered 12 or whatever it is, the first answer 0 we got from Sandhya Vijay Kumar. So thank you, Sandhya. Your answer is correct and do connect to us to claim your gift. And now we have okay, let's go. See, we are just enjoy the session. All of you have some fun. My main motive is to have some fun. That's all. So just enjoy, to go with the flow. There is nothing such thing. We all want to have enjoy. We are going to very difficult phase. So a lot of negativity is going on. Just be positive. Just enjoy and have fun. So don't be stressed that I didn't get the answer. I didn't get the prize. It's just for fun. We just want to have some fun. So let's enjoy it, have some fun. Okay, next, do we have any other riddles? I don't think that's all. So, okay, now let's announce our, here we are going to announce our people, our students, those who have completed the course with us in different category. And we are going to announce. So let's tell us. And we are going, this is total soap making. So thank you all the participants in the total soap making session. those who have chosen us, and those who have recommended us, and those who have believed in us and have taken this session. We are really, very, very thankful to all of you, and we wish you all the best. And okay, yeah, the soap making session videos are already uploaded. If any of you are interested in picking up this session, you can contact us on 98407248819. Our total soap making consists of cold process, hot process, rebatching, and melt and pour. We have 4 different types of methods are covered in this, and almost 20 different varieties of soap making videos have been uploaded with proper packing and wrapping of the soap. So any of you interested in taking up these sessions, you can contact us on 98407248819. Now let us congratulate all the participants of the total soap making, those who have successfully completed the course with us. The total soap making session has been successfully completed for Rupali Garg from Noida. No, 1 minute. Just, yeah. 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 So in the total soap making session, we have 15 participants, and we have Syed Ali Fatima H from Chennai, and Hema Takural from Jalandhar, Anita Malaika from Chennai, Mahalashmi B from Chennai, Swatika Jain from Hyderabad, Jeenal Shah from Mumbai, Rashmi Shah from Kolkata, and M. Ramya Pradeep from Nagarkol, Kanyakumari, Aparna Deshpande from Pune, Meena Fernandez from Goa, Zahir Sheikh from Pune, Nubaha Fatima from Chennai, Komal Vivek Kamble from Bombay, and Srimoni Nandi from Calcutta. So thank you all of you, and I wish you all the best. Do take hit this training what I have shared with you on a higher scale. Do something out of that. I'll be very happy. Anytime you have any problems or any doubt, any clarification, do call me back. Do WhatsApp me. I'll be always there to help you people out. Congratulations to all the participants of the total soap making. Thank you all of you for your total supports. We are very, very happy that successfully we have completed the course for you. All your certificates will be e-certificates will be sent. The link will be sent to you in your WhatsApp. Please download all your certificates and save them. So thank you all of you once again. And now we'll go to the next. Yeah. Now we have the total hair care. The total hair care consists of sulfur-free and paraffin-free shampoo making, and plus we have all herbal hair care products like hair oil, hair toner, hair gel, hair serum, hair moisturizer, hair hair herbal hair wax remover, hair oils. So almost 20 different products are there. So all these 20 different products formulations with proper video has been uploaded. Any of you interested in taking up this session can contact us. Our WhatsApp was on 98407248819, or log on to our website www.mamtacreations.com, or directly call us on 98407248819. So let's congratulate the participants of Total Hair Care. Total Hair Care, we have for Total Hair Care, we have Mahalashmi B from Chennai, A.S. Nasreen Afsar from Chennai, Jeenal Shah from Mumbai, and Rupali Garg from Noida, Sandhya Rani Kazipeta from Goa, Syed Ali Fatima H from Chennai, and S. Sudeshna from Madurai, Pyali Kaur Vishwas from Kolkata, and Gauri Venkateshan from Chennai. Congratulations to all the participants of Total Hair Care. Thank you, all of you, for the total support and the total support, and all the for choosing us, and continuously working along with us. It's not only I have worked with all of you, but you people have also worked along with me daily, attending the sessions, live sessions, and and questioning us, clearing all your doubts. And then some of the students, they have also practiced and they shared their practice video with us. So yeah, we are really very happy with the support, and with the support you people have given us. And thank you all of you. We wish you all of you all the best. And we wish you all of you all the best for your future endeavors. Go ahead, take this, do some manufacturing or make the products for yourself, and surely generate some income for yourself and your family. And we have now the total skincare participants. Thank you all the participants of total skincare for successfully completing the skincare session for us with us. The skincare has 20 different formulations. All the videos has been uploaded. Any of you interested in taking of this session can contact us or WhatsApp us on 98407 24819. Our total skincare consists of basic skincare consists of different types of cream, lotions, toners, cleansers, scrubs, creamy cocoa scrubs, and body perfume, body butters, lotion bars, and the advanced consist of the color cosmetic like lipstick, lip balm, eyeliner, kajal, mascara, eyeshadow, and 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 we have there also the creamy face wash. So total 20 different products. All the videos has been uploaded. So any of you are interested in taking up this session, do WhatsApp us on 98407 24819. And now let's congratulate our total skincare participants. So yeah. Yeah. So our total skincare has almost 13 participants, and we have Rupali Garg from Noida, and Gauri Pon Prakash from Trivandrum, Syed Ali Fatima Esh from Chennai, Saswati Goswami Chakravarti from Bangalore, Jayanti K from Chennai, Sandhya Rani Kosikate from Goa, Jinal Shah from Mumbai, Amit Shah Sekawat from Sahapur, Jaipur, Dhara Puredi Aditya from Andhra Pradesh, Piyali Kaur Vishwas from Kolkata, Mahalashmi B from Chennai, Deepika M from Hyderabad, and Shabana Yasmin Fatima from Chennai. So thank you all of you for choosing us and recommending us. We wish you all the best. Your e-certificates link will be sent in the WhatsApp group or in your private WhatsApp, wherever you want. Please download your certificates, and thank you all of you for connecting with us, choosing us, and recommending us. So our next session, what we have completed the online course is the Kumkumadi, total Kumkumadi session, which was our last online course. And we had there about 8 participants. Rupali Garg from Noida, Jayanti K from Chennai, Nasreen Afsar AS from Chennai, Jeenan Shah from Mumbai, Anita Malaika from Chennai, Dharapedu Aditya from Andhra, Gauri Venkateshan from Chennai, and Sri Vidya J from Chennai. So our total Kumkumadi Tailam consists of making of the Kumkumadi Tailam, and then from the Kumkumadi Tailam making of cream, lotions, toner, and face wash. So total 5 products we covered from scratch to finish in the total Kumkumadi Tailam session. So if any of you are interested in taking up this session, do WhatsApp us on 98407 or log on to our website www.mamtacreations.com. And so thank you all the participants, all the online students. Last 3 months, you all have used your lockdown, and me too also in this lockdown have taken continuously classes for you people. Every day we used to have session for 1.5 hours, sometimes for 2 hours also. And thank you all of you. I really thank all of you from the core of my heart, and for joining these sessions, for recommending this session, and working along with me. It's not taking online session is really not, it's not an easy job, because I am this side of the I am this type of the session and you are at that side of the session, and I try my best to make things very easy for you, that just by visualizing and thinking the thing you can understand how the product formulation is done, what are the do's and don'ts of that product formulation, how the packaging should be done, how the storing should be done. Like each and everything I had tried my best and had given you my best, and I hope all of you are happy. And and I hope all of you are happy and all of you will be able to take this knowledge on a higher scale and do something out of that. I'll be very, very happy. Do call me, do connect to me anytime you have any problem, any doubt. I'm always available for all of you. So that's all for today's session. We'll have some few more games. I hope one more, two more games we can have. Yeah. Tell me a word or let me know a word which has all the vowels A, E, I, O, U only once, not twice, only once. So this is the last riddle for the day, and then we'll have the vote of thanks and we'll wind up this session. Okay, so let's have the riddle. Who is going to answer me this riddle? Uh, Tell me, okay, a word which has all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Is anybody answering this riddle there? Okay. Uh, okay, let's know as the answer. We'll say the vote of thanks and we'll wind up the session. So, our vote of thanks to all the participants, to Jayashree ma'am from Chennai, to Fatima Jaiswal. Okay, Shalini, I'm asking you a riddle. Yeah, no, Jayanti, that's not. We tell us a word which has. Tell us a word which has all the vowels A, E, I, O, U only once. No, 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 no. Uh, no, I don't know. I need to check the meaning of Inoia. Does Inoia has some meaning? It should be a meaningful word. I don't know. You people have written at Inonia. What is the meaning of Inonia? If anybody can tell us, the word should have some meaning. Jinal, what is the meaning of Inonia? Huh? Yes, education is the correct word. It has all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and that too once. In encyclopedia, we have to check. I think E is twice. Kriti. We told that it has only once. So Jayanti, I think Jayanti has given us the correct answer. Education. She is the first one to write the answer. I think so. So the word is education, and it has all the vowels only once. So that's what we had. Okay, I don't know this word, so that's why. No, Nia, we need to check. Okay, no problem. We'll go through this, all these comments, and we'll come back to that once again. Once again, we'll put on tomorrow morning. We'll put the on our page. We'll put the winner's name once again. Okay. So thank you all of you, and let's have the votes of thank and wind up this session. Thank you all of you. Oh, I forgot to say the reward. We have 3 rewards here for our students. The most enterprising student here. We have been observing you from last 3 months, and every day what you have been sending us your own production. So the most enterprising student here is Piali Kaur Vishwas from Kolkata. So Piali, you have a surprise gift from us. Do contact us. And yeah, that's nice to hear, Mahalashmi. Because of me, you got love towards soap making, skincare, and hair care. You are a fabulous person, ma'am. Thank you, Mahalashmi. Thank you so much. And most active and most all always present student of this batch, online batch, is Jinal Shah. Thank you, Jinal. Every time being alive in my live sessions and bombing me with lot of questions. So thank you always. Most of my sessions, you have taken all the sessions with us, and in all the sessions you has to be used to be always present. So in all my live sessions. So thank you, Jinal. So you have a surprise gift from us, and the last reward goes to Mahalashmi Jagdish from Chennai for best reviewer award. So we are really, so there are three awards. So let me announce the award once again. And for what purpose, we'll announce it once again. The most active student, always live in my live session, is Jinal Sa. So most punctual, most active award goes to Jinal Sa. And most enterprising award goes to Peali Kaur from Kolkata. And most best reviewer award goes to Mahalashmi Jagdish from Chennai. So thank you all of you for participating in today's program. And without you people, yeah. So congratulations Piali, and congratulations Jinal, and congratulations Mahalashmi. So thank you all of you for being a part of this session today, being a part of this live session today. I thank Pratima Jaiswal for singing the prayer song for us, and I thank our chief guest Jashri Narayan ma'am and Dr. Neelam for being our chief guest today for the program and sharing their views and motivating us and all our students here. And I thank all my participants here, all my students, come friends, come colleagues, everybody, all my family members for today being live here with me and sharing this podium with me. So thank you all of you. We wish you all the best. All your e-certificates will be posted in the respective groups. And still, if you don't see your certificate there, do call us in the private WhatsApp. Let us know. We will try to post it personally to you. So bye bye, all of you. Take care. Do be connected to us. Love you all. See you all again, once again, with another new online session.